So after having the Ender for about a week and doing some non-stop printing, I decided to pick up a second one and go with this boxy Aquila. And so far, I mean, they're both doing alright. On this one, I upgraded the extruder on it and then just put the bed springs on it. This one's completely stock, and I have just been printing both of them separately off their own software that they came with. And I just finished these two parts. Let's see. Each came off of the separate printers. These white ones came off the Ender. These ones came off the Aquila. I'm sure a lot of it has to do with the settings. I just kind of used like the factory settings. On the bottom here, you can see the Enders. Turned out pretty nice. It also could be the filament. I don't know. But I've been doing quite a bit printing off of each of them. And I like them both. I think I'm just more comfortable with the Ender. But we'll see. I like that one too. For over here, kind of getting used to this. I like the Ender slicer better. And I also have Cura. I just gotta kind of get some more time on it and get used to it. But this one, compared to the Aquilas, I don't know. This one seems easier to me. But, and again, I'm pretty new to all of this. So, I do, however, come from the machining world. I know Mastercam, GizCam, I've made my models in Fusion. So, I got the concept. Just kind of got to get the buttons figured out. But yeah, that's my setup. We'll keep printing. I don't know, I don't really have plans to do any more big upgrades for the time being. Maybe. I have some parts over here. But, alright, I'll keep you updated. Thanks.